Deep beneath the waves, in a world plunged into eternal darkness where sunlight has never touched, scientists are making discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. Imagine a place where the pressure is so immense it would crush a military submarine in an instant. Yet, in this hostile abyss, life doesn't just exist, it thrives in forms that are stranger than any science fiction. We're talking about creatures newly found, organisms that navigate the pitch black without eyes, communicating and hunting through methods we are only beginning to comprehend. Some of these animals glow with their own light, a phenomenon called bioluminescence, creating ghostly light shows in the crushing dark. They use it to lure prey, to find mates, or to startle predators in a silent, underwater ballet. The pressure down here is over 1,000 times what we experience on the surface. But these beings have evolved bodies that can withstand it, some being gelatinous and others having flexible skeletons. Our most advanced deep-sea vehicles, equipped with high-definition cameras, have captured footage of animals that are completely transparent, their internal organs visible as they drift through the water. It's a perfect camouflage for a world with no shadows. We've seen fish with monstrous jaws, lined with teeth so long and sharp they can't even close their mouths completely, perfectly designed for snatching a rare meal in the vast emptiness. These aren't just minor variations, these are life forms that seem to have been designed for an alien planet. What's truly baffling to the scientific community are the behaviors being observed. The footage shows shapes and movements that don't align with any known species in the tree of life. These creatures don't hunt in the ways we understand. They don't chase or ambush like typical predators. Instead, they wait. They use intricate light patterns or chemical trails to lure their prey into a trap. And just as our cameras get close, just as we think we're about to get a clear view, they vanish. They disappear into the blackness, leaving behind more questions than answers. Are these behaviors learned? Are they instinct? Or is there something else at play, some form of intelligence we haven't yet considered? The more we send our probes into these abyssal zones, like the Mariana Trench, the more the ocean reveals just how little we truly understand about our own planet. It feels like every dive brings back evidence of a world operating on a completely different set of rules. Some scientists speculate that what we are seeing is not just simple adaptation. The complexity of these organisms and their strategies suggest an evolutionary path so divergent from ours that it almost feels like a separate genesis of life. Could it be that life in the deep sea evolved in a way that is fundamentally different from life on the surface? These creatures are not just oddities, they are living paradoxes that force us to rewrite textbooks and reconsider the very definition of life itself. This isn't a movie plot, this is happening right now. These are the real, newly discovered deep-sea creatures that top scientists are struggling to explain. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, and we've explored less than 5% of it. What else is lurking down there, waiting in the cold, dark, silent world beneath our feet? The truth is, the greatest mysteries on Earth might not be in outer space, but in the depths of our own oceans. Thank you for watching. If you found this as fascinating as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next dive into the unknown. See you next time.